Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to turn off your Zoom microphone before joining the Zoom call. But before we begin though, let's hear a quick message from our video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you find my video helpful at all and you would like to support my channel, please try out my Amazon Prime free trial. With this trial, you get free Prime delivery. You don't have to pay shipping fees anymore. Exclusive discounts for students. Listen to 70 million songs ad free. Watch award winning movies and TV shows. And you try all of this completely free of charge. If you don't like it, you can simply cancel before they charge you, okay? You can find the link to this free trial in my video description. It's completely free 6 months for students and 30 days for everyone else. Thank you for watching and get back to your video. All right, welcome back. Now, to turn off the Zoom mic before joining the call, you do it right at the beginning of joining the Zoom call. So, if you open up a Zoom app like I have here, and this is on the iPhone, I'll click on from the home page, click on join, and then look over here on the bottom. Do you see over here where it says don't connect to audio? When it's green like that, it means it's on. So it will not connect to audio. But when it's gray like that, it means it's off. So we want to make sure it's green. And then we enter our meeting ID. And I think I already had recently did it. All right. And when I click on join, and then enter your password 065. Okay, and then wait for the meeting host to allow me into the room. And there you go. By default, you'll see that the audio is not connected. Okay? So before I can connect, I have to actually manually go ahead and connect. That's how you make sure your mic is off, your microphone is off before joining a Zoom meeting. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime trial. Thank you for watching.